What the hell?
What's up guys, Sal here. So we have a hands-on video of the Galaxy S10 Plus just 7 days before the device will go official. Comes from an online retailer, Mobile Fun. I'll link down the original video in the description box. Do check them out. As you can see, the phone has a thick tempered glass screen protector installed with holes in it for the camera and for the in-display fingerprint scanner. The video seems to be captured when the phone was being tested with screen protectors. Honestly, the screen protectors makes the phone look bad. It also hinders with the user experience. Swiping around that area will be very uncomfortable for the thumb, I guess, and I don't understand why would anyone want to install such screen protectors. Some people are saying the hole is there for the fingerprint scanner to work. Some are claiming the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner may not work with thick screen protectors. I can't confirm right now if that is the case, but Max, who's also a credible leaker, says that you don't have to worry about installing this because the Galaxy S10 will come pre-installed with a screen protector and the fingerprint scanner will work absolutely fine with the normal ones. So yeah, you don't have to put this ugly thing and spoil the look of your phone. So someone leaked the entire spec sheet of all the Galaxy S10 devices, revealing almost everything. If you're following this channel, then these specs shouldn't come off as a surprise. But there are a few features though which we didn't know yet. First of all, there are improvements to the slow-mo videos. Now we can record videos up to 0.8 seconds, up from 0.4 seconds of the Galaxy Note 9 and 0.2 seconds of the Galaxy S9 Plus. Samsung has also improved the scene optimizer. Now it should be able to recognize up to 30 scenes, up from 20 on the Note 9. The camera also supports HDR10 Plus recording. With HDR10 Plus enabled, the color should be a lot crisper and there should be a noticeable improvement in clarity too. Finally, the display has been improved as well. The displays will apparently reach 800 nits of brightness, up from 700 on the Galaxy Note 9. By the way, Samsung is not happy with this leak. They are investigating the person who leaked the stuff and there may be repercussions. And by the way, it's not like we didn't already know all of this stuff, but yeah, I agree that the leak should be done in a controlled manner. A lot of times companies leak their own stuff to generate hype, but leaking an entire spec sheet where it's giving away all of the information is not cool. I hope it doesn't affect the Unpacked event, which will take place in a week. Anyway, for all the latest updates on this, please consider subscribing, and as always, I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.